So 23rd Psalm 23 handyman here, and I want to show you guys a hack, guys and gals and kiddos. Right up here is the brake switch, and you can see right here, here's the brake arm and the pedals down below. Probably can't see it with all the mess in here, but follow that pedal and it goes down to the pedal. The arm goes down to the pedal. So I'm going to put my hand down below, and you'll see right here where that white stuff is, that's Gorilla Glue. I got 5 pennies sitting on the part that's supposed to trigger the brake switch, which is right above there. Again, that's the brake switch. Down here is the push rod, the black thing, and my pennies are stacked up on the brake arm. So watch how I got it here. You see that there? I just used pennies, built it up until it was the right distance. When I put in the new brake booster, that distance was a gap of a good 1/4 3/8 inch. I don't know how you can resolve that by buying a new brake switch, but I saved myself 22 bucks, whatever it is, by MacGyvering that. It's a real simple deal. What threw me off, I went on YouTube, and this old fella, he concluded that you need to buy a new switch. My switch is working fine. So there's a hack that you can use. Gorilla Glue, it holds really good. Get that at Home Depot. So I just I got a bunch of pennies and stacked them up, and this is my penny jar. Apparently there are 3 times as much money as the market value is right. In other words, they're like 3 cents because of the Federal Reserve destroying our economy with all this helicopter money. And they're not only trying to destroy the economy, they're destroying our moral fabric, our moral compass, teaching us all to be lazy and greedy for money. So anyhow, there's a hack. Another hack that I figured out is, if you're an old guy like me, I'm 58, and you can't see, and you need glasses, and it's a real tight spot, and you can't even get your glasses on in the tight spot. What you can do is take your smartphone and turn it on and make it go in there and do a video of what you're trying to see. That's what I did with this clip right here, and I'll put a link in the description below to show you how I did that, to figure out how the thing works, because I couldn't see it. It's really tight quarters in here in my van. You can't even get your body hardly in there. So anyways, I dropped this out. I'm going to put that back and put it all back together. Got the brake booster in, and I realized that my brake lights were on. And that's the reason why, is because that gap opened up on the brake switch. Because probably the new brake booster travel is shorter for some reason. There might be a way to adjust it, but there's ways to MacGyver stuff too. So anyhow, that's the solution I came up with. Let's see if I can zoom it in here and get a closer look. Works good.